Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today we got something special for y'all. For everybody that's been wanting me to make more G80 content, here it is, all right? Today we're gonna be installing the Keys dry carbon fiber diffuser on Yusuf's G80. So we got his G80 right here in the garage. Yusuf's over there in the corner on his phone, probably making reels for you guys. So make sure to go follow his Instagram. Go look at all his reels that he's making. But we're gonna be putting the carbon fiber diffuser right on his car. That's probably gonna complete the look of what he's got going on the outside at least. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, everyone. So here is a good look at the Keys dry carbon diffuser. Looks really good finish. Really nice weave on it. Everything looks really good. So as you guys know, I did install a diffuser on my G80, and now we're going to complete the look of Yusuf's G80 with this diffuser. So I love the aggressiveness of the third fin that sticks out right here in the middle. It just makes everything just look so much aggressive. And then with Yusuf's setup currently, I think it's going to look really good. And then he's got the big tips from the TFL exhaust. Then he'll have the extra fin there, and it's just going to tie everything together underneath his car. So you said how many?
5 horsepower with an extra fin.
5 horsepower, maybe it'll give you some, I don't know, but we'll go ahead and get to it. Go ahead and get to the install. Should be pretty simple, pretty straightforward. All right, everyone, so here's a good look at the diffuser right here. So what we're going to be doing, I'm going to talk you through everything we're going to do, and then we're going to kind of show it to you. So this part right here, you're going to want to have to pop this out. So you kind of compress forward, and then you can kind of get like a trim tool and pop this out. That's going to give you access to one of the top clips right here. So you'll be able to get that loose. Once you get that loose, it's going to make it easier to just kind of pull and get the rest of these out up top. Then underneath, you're going to have these little clips right here. And you can just take one of these tools right here, kind of get underneath it and pull them out. So you'll have one here, and then also on the edges as well. So Yusuf has these rear side skirts, which are right here. So we will have to just move some screws from this to get that out of the way. So make sure we have enough clearance to be able to get the diffuser off. Then once we get it off, just put another one on, and it's just easy peasy. All right, so if you guys just saw that, you just kind of apply the pressure right here. There is an arrow right there, and it'll pop, give you the ability to pop this right out, which is right here. And then once you have this out, you'll be able to see the clip top part right here. So what you have to do, take like a flathead or a plastic trim tool. You kind of want to enter it from here, pry up, and while you're prying up, pull out. And you can kind of see this part right here wants to come out now. You may have to push it down a little bit from the top, then go from underneath and pull it towards yourself. Also on the side right here, you will have two little tabs. You just push the tabs in and push the actual diffuser away from the car. You got to approach it from underneath the car. It's kind of hard for me to show you underneath the car, so that's why I'm kind of telling you on this side. So now once you have everything loose and you do it on both sides, you kind of just want to start with one side of the diffuser, kind of pull out, and then it's going to feel weird, but you just kind of have to pull it out. All right, so we got one side out. You kind of just want to slowly pull from the top here. Let me move this. This is just move that out of the way. It's gonna feel like you're breaking it, but you're not. It's just how you have to get it off. I just want to make sure that this is loose. All right, so it doesn't look like this is loose enough. So I'm gonna go back underneath and loosen these corner tabs. All right, everyone, so we got Yusuf right here putting on his diffuser. So it's super simple. You're just kind of lining it up and then just kind of applying pressure as he's doing right here. pressure there. Yep.
I like it already.
Yep. It's good to go. Super simple. So now what we're gonna do is put the clips back in at the bottom, and then we are good to go. All right, everyone, so we got the carbon fiber diffuser installed on Yusuf's M3, and I think it looks good. It just kind of adds to the look and the special setup that he has here. So Yusuf, what do you think about the diffuser?
I really like it. It looks good. Actually, it kind of complements now the rear side skirts. So it's or the other way around.
one of the ways. It complements everything else we got going on, man. But it really does look really good. If you're interested in this diffuser, it will be linked down below. Special shout out to Keys Motorsports for getting this shipped down super quick. Their shipping is always a plus. I mean, I think it came in like 2 days. So super fast shipping, and the install super easy, and the quality looks really good as well. So if you're looking for this, it will be linked down below. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll holler at you guys later. Peace.
Thank you, Keys.